wrench, ruler, putty knife, hacksaw. Wow. We got all of that. Okay. Yo, 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 what's up, what's up? Welcome to my basement shop. Alright, we got tools over there, we got a washer and dryer over there, we got a table saw over there behind you, and right on under my butt here is the most important tool in the shop. Cue the music. Okay, so we have a little bit of leakage. I'm going to cut that out now because I can't keep that up. I'm going to try this Better Than Wax seal kit. It's rubber and foam. It's, you know, it's the space age, so it makes sense. All right, so what we're going to do, we're just going to jump right into it. We're going to get this done as quickly as possible because I'm drinking a cup of coffee. I'm going to be wanting to use this pretty soon. Let's see if I can get this done before it's time where I need to use it. Okay, so I just turned off the water. I'm going to flush it. Get all this water out of there. Okay, there's still a little water back there. Put this over here. Still a little bit of water up there. And plenty of water down there. All right, well, let's flush it again. Nope, that's not going to work. All right, let's plunge it. Water up there. Oh, I see. It's just a little bit. Just always a little bit of water there. Okay. Oh. I can hear the sounds of the underworld. It's like an ocean. Oh, now I'm getting some gurgling over there. Alright, I think that's as much as we're going to get. Let's get these bricks out of here. Oh man, what a mess. A little bit of everything. I'll be right back. I'm going to get some tools. We're going to need a bucket. Probably. And a plunger. How many plungers do you need? Need a couple of wrenches and a butter knife. Some gloves. Alright, so I guess I'm going to start over here. Disconnect the tank. I don't need those yet. Oh, that's easy. So I can see, you know, this little pad here is not very flat. So that could be a big part of my problem. Put that right there. get another piece of cardboard, throw this puppy on there. Still a bunch of water in there. Oh, there it goes. What the hell is in there? What the heck is in there? It's disgusting. It's actually not even supposed to be the disgusting part. I got a little rubber washer there, I got a little spacer thing there. That thing doesn't look very... It doesn't look very good. It looks a little rotted. Is that the problem? I don't know. I mean, maybe I need a new one of those. I don't even know what that would be called. Alright. Alright, now we're going to put the gloves on here. Yeah, that's all like oblong and oblate. Seems like that should be basically just round. I might need a new one of those. Alright, now we're going to take these things off. Barely even tight. I'll just use one of these guys. What does it look like? 7/16? Oh boy, so this is where it's probably going to get a little bit more interesting. Maybe not. Okay, so this one I think I need to cut it off. Alright, well, cutting it off, you know, I'm prepared to do that if I have to. But it seems a little medieval. So I'm just going to, first I'm going to see if I can loosen this up with some penetrating oil. Trusty rusty WD-42. That seems like a better way to go. Oh yeah, that's alright. Yeah, I don't need to go making a big mess and a bunch of noise. Oh, this is fine. This will be easier to reach though. Starting to get a little dirty down there. Let's see, can I get this under it now? Not quite. Almost. Okay, yeah. Yep, I got a bite on it from the bottom. Alright. Okay. See, that nut saw this little multi-tool there. I got a little scared and decided to just basically surrender. So that's great. Don't need to waste a $20 blade on that. Alright, I'm going to get a rag here. We're going to pick this puppy up and see what happens. I'm going to get another glove too. Alright, this is not made up, folks. I did not rehearse this. We don't know what's going to be under here. Oh boy! Oh no! Oh! Well, there's like nothing there. Alright, so I got water in this trap. What do I do about that? Alright, so it goes... Well, what does it do? It's down in there. So if I just tilt it back, it'll all pour out. I don't know what's going on down there. No! Well, some of it went into the bucket. There's like not much. There's not much here. I got a spider in there. That's fucking gross. Got a couple of spiders in there. Some other bugs. There's like nothing here. There's a bunch of spiders. Alright. Need some damn towels. I'm not really even smelling the sewer gas. Okay. Yeah, there's some wax, but man, I don't think it was making a very good seal. Yuck. There's like wet concrete around this. There's some wax. Okay, now I'm getting a little sewer gas. this is when life gets kind of real, you know. This is when you find out just for yourself, inside of yourself, what you're made of. What is this shit? It's like old toilet paper and shit. And there's like a whole damn city of spiders living in this little toilet. Why do they like living there? Well, it's the last place anybody would look. Much easier to clean the toilet when it's upside down. The thing is, do I need this thing again? What is this thing? See, it's not nestled down there flat at all. That seems like it's just a recipe for disaster. Or if not disaster, just consistent disappointment. Alright, when is it clean enough? How do you know? How do you know when you've done enough? Okay. Oh yeah, you gotta keep a clean work site. You gotta take pride in what you do, you know? Alright, so I assume that white thing is supposed to stay. I'm not totally sure. And then I'm supposed to like measure the depth, but it's different depths. Alright. Oh boy. Is this just going to go right down in there? I think it is. I think that's what that's going to do. Okay, and then the bolts go through the sides there. Alright, flange above the floor. I'm going to say it is. Remove the spacer from the seal in that case. Oh, so this whole thing is the spacer. Alright, get rid of it. And then, okay, so I put these new bolts in there. Yeah, they're nice. Probably going to have to trim them. Is that right? I mean, is it really that easy? Just discard that, pop this down in the hole, and then put it all back together? I really don't know. Maybe. Doesn't seem like anything should be this easy. I mean, really? Could it be? I think I might be done. Yeah, I mean, you know you're done when you get to the Spanish. I mean, I kind of want to clean this up a little bit better, though. I'll just go straight for the bleach. Well, that is rust and it's not going to come out. It smells like a swimming pool down here now. It smells like luxury. Well, let's see what the hell happens when we put this back on there. Yep. Yeah, okay. I mean, I don't know. I really don't know. It's got a hell of a rock to it. What it needs is some damn shims. I don't know if I really have any shims. Oh, I know what I got. Does it need to be level? It looks pretty level. Yeah. That's too much. Yeah, it's starting to get pretty close here. All right. It feels pretty good. Whoa. That feels better than ever. Seems like you're missing something here. What a mess. Going the wrong way. All right. Okay, so it filled up. Moment of truth, let's flush it. Okay, Fluidmaster Pro better than wax. I think you're fine. I don't know if you're better than anybody else, but looks like we're back in business. Okay, so that's done for now. I don't have silicone caulk on me right now, but I'll go get some, and maybe I'll get some new little caps for the bolts down there and trim them a little shorter. But all in all, I'm glad that I can get back to drinking coffee, and you know what comes after that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.